make a really quick video here showing you how to set up your TI nSpire calculator once you get it downloaded. So if you're on this screen right now where you do your calculations, what I want you to do is click X right here. And then, no, you don't want to save any of that. Then when you get to here, this looks like the calculator when you at school when you first pick it up. So if you'll go down here to settings, and this is document settings. Okay. So this right here, display digits, float 8, means that's how many digits it's going to show you on your display. And 8 digits pretty much takes care of all of the needs that we have. I mean, you could change this to whatever you want. It'll go up to here 12. So I just have mine set at 8, but you could really set yours at anything 8 or above. You could set it to 12 if you want to. Oh, that says fix. Let's see. Float 12 right here. You want to float 12. Okay. Let me go ahead and change that. All right. So here you want to have it set to degrees. It's either degrees, radians right here. So have it set to degrees. Right here, scientific format. So this right here is going to put this in scientific notation format so that when you get answers like we're working with Ka, Kb, maybe really, really small numbers, or in molecules, 10 to the 23rd, really, really big numbers, this is going to be what you want to have right here, scientific notation. Now, just know that when you put this in scientific notation, every number that it calculates, it's going to report in scientific notation. So that means that if it's the number 15, it's going to be 1.5 times 10 to the 1. Or if it's the number 7, then it's going to be 7.0 times 10 to the 0. So you're always going to have your answer in scientific notation. It's always going to have that E that's there. Okay. And these other ones, it doesn't really matter. Okay. But those are the two most important settings right here, float and scientific. All right. And then when you go into your calculator, say, and here's an example, 7.0 times 1. Okay, and this is going to see it gives it to you in scientific notation, 7 times 10 to the 0 power. Okay, so that right there just means that you're not moving your decimal any, it's 7. And if you wanted 15 times 1, okay, that's going to be 1.5 times 10 to the 1. So, and that tells you to move your decimal over one place to the right. So that's going to be 15. Okay, same thing with 0.15. Okay, 1.5 times 10 to the negative 2. So that tells you to move your decimal place over 2 times, so you get 0.015. I'm sorry, I said 0.15 and I put in 0.015. But remember, negative 2, you're moving your decimal place to the left when you put it in regular notation. All right, so this is how you get it in scientific notation so that it calculates your numbers in scientific notation. You don't get some crazy number like this for your answer. Okay, so instead of getting this for your answer, you're going to be getting 2.5 times 10 to the negative 8. And when it calculates it, it also changes it to scientific notation here. All right, so that's just a quick little video showing you how to set up your nSpire to report your answers in scientific notation. Remember, slap that like button right across the face if this video helped you, and make sure that you subscribe and click notifications so you know when I put up these kind of videos that aren't part of a lesson, that aren't part of Canvas, but they do help you figure things out.